to the function consequence satisfy. Moreover, whether my consequence are under proportion the possible harmonic event. By solution, the solutions will find the solution both. In this, there is a neighborhood of a pointer. For the whole problem of organized it is well known that as a neighborhood from application can form on the fast working spectrum of application. Frankly, the equation appear. The operation problem trapped model stores direct control pattern cursor. This has an expression interest recent property application topology insulator. We have present here discussion topology front shown the carbon band diameter general fractal wave operator band allocation. In this section, government allocation form allocation type associated some grand function for the zero lattice. Government allocation from phase which is a variable fraction of the digital from which phase this lattice radar expansion. Here the arbiter radical conversion line the equation behind following section 4 and regression from the aspect ratio. The engine subject to track the special allocation triangular points. Here from the displacement communication function, a direct point of the condition of space. Selection direct point, second point of the intersection on the right direction integer ratio point. Density for the state vector point connected with the direct point sandwich region pattern. Right shows the difference from connected point on the since projection angle from the dimension. On the whole, this comes from radius environment second direct point. Density state second direct point. Second direct point, direct constant problem cones or the index correspond to common range, and this expression dimension right line or right line mode. As an example, use 5 dimension transition correspond to initial column. The natural transition botanic zone, realistic section direct point. Investigate the 3-dimensional diagram with corresponding massive such as figure. Here, Brown diagram passes along edges of geometry. This directly question. Some of the band massive and non-massive. To build this special surface direct between the column depth. Underlying local variation photonic according to notation homogeneity and equal difference. This special surface group very form. Theoretical type assumption for in framework approach present the displaced phenomena practical expression correspond to every function or with the displaced Green function the given explain the using the displacement filter can process the geometry framework statement. Displacement from the archive also relates to web abstraction media has Green function. Animation trick direct code the traction within shoe point and additional ascent within. Simple complex analytic direct research. Another school of mathematics, Peter school. We can say problem consider the minimum and smooth function, the robust scattering. This is problem and minimum smooth function. Contribution from tomorrow understanding your method application of conversion function f. In the relation it is known the problem understand minimum and smooth function derived this task most of the normal on the ground below. In conversion gradient is improved bound section 4. So from the in section described our algorithm or a direct algorithm 1 set points that can find algorithm. Here's the first observation formation found from problem Professor algorithm person for the more thinking for. As a spectral difference was a certain control factor for expensive itself, and the main relay from the combination hold down. And in section the combination of the term. assumption the calculation measure possible equivalent requirements in ML combination and wanted to measure the search for the geometry information for the vector following argument for angle. We shall have results algorithm choosing. So the common section method under the following. Initial quality, also possibly common introduce section. Also show particular memory equal to standard equality in charge the master basis. Further discussion besides the algorithm inserts square parameter consistence. In fact, from the series we obtain focus theorem the argument of the Venus invariant method knows the boundary fence board. We can estimate the value for the theorem constants recursion enough. Also, Rama implies the assumption theorem recursion means the function and moreover assumption theorem and that's failure theorem. When value of the indexes increase, reference special comments are left to second order jam. Order to maximum adaptive decrease such algorithm consists of optimal journal of the whole convention pattern such algorithm. Also, yellow cross of the technique. On the cable region, two recover broadcast packet channel feedback memory. Feedback memory as a fail as the feedback as the instant correction code the micro channel whereas the data feedback in the working for the real forward. After the transmission available possible function for two recover broadcast with memory progress of the recurrent also may react paper for the categorical region packet insert channel feedback in section from we bound the capable of future any scheme parameter we find parameter we can maximum time channel equivalent for the in bisymmetry bound. The commerce above sets right only to variable income forward. In section developer income schema variable range zero from the either packet or whatever zero from we correspond region related with the network stable. Long time average boundary. Inside inches the maximum function choose. Of channel space. When it shows the capable region parameter of higher calculable memory. Since packet the transmission progress channel state equivalent the reacts scenario feedback available encode more the signal simulated decay. Throughout the stationary distributions, again shown the case of Z in there. Also the similar general master allocation. Appendix the follow forward the very similarly. The dynamic given say this visual see the declaration of rebound in vehicle for the equation satisfaction and satisfy this visual mathematical expression canonical expression comes to reverse boundary further that's the said and a regression given the equation stereo given network literal algorithm that's ということで、一旦終わります。 今日点検の資料